A hidden masterwork arises from the depths of American inventiveness in the shadows of secrecy, where science meets the military. Behold, the US Laser Jet Megaproject, a lightning bolt capable of demolishing the mightiest of foes. In a world where seconds may determine a nation's fate, this ambitious innovation has the ability to change history with a single heartbeat. Brace yourself when the pendulum of power swings and China's invincibility trembles, because a new era will dawn in the blink of an eye, leaving nothing but astonishment and disbelief in its wake. Superior technological capability. The Laser Jet Megaproject is based on unsurpassed technological excellence. With modern engines and a streamlined design that decreases drag and improves maneuverability, this fighter jet can outrun and outmaneuver any older adversary aircraft. Its lightning-fast powers are gained through cutting-edge advances, allowing it to fly at breakneck rates, leaving opponents in its wake. Innovative stealth technologies. One of the Laser Jet Megaproject's distinguishing features is its innovative stealth capabilities. The aircraft has been precisely built to be practically undetectable to radar, making hostile forces detection and tracking exceedingly difficult. The Laser Jet Megaproject enjoys a considerable edge in combat scenarios by operating invisibly, letting it attack from unexpected angles and catch foes off guard. The need for speed drives hypersonic propulsion. The Megaproject includes hypersonic propulsion, a revolutionary technology that allows the laser jet to fly at speeds of up to 5 times the speed of sound, or Mach 5. This not only offers the aircraft a significant speed advantage, but it also allows for efficient long-range operations, as it can traverse large distances in a fraction of the time required by current aircraft. The laser jet's speed and range make it a powerful force capable of rapid deployment and precision strikes. Advanced avionics and weapon systems. The Laser Jet Megaproject is a technological marvel, outfitted with cutting-edge avionics and weaponry. Its sophisticated sensors detect and track enemy targets with unprecedented precision, providing pilots with enhanced situational awareness. The aircraft is outfitted with a number of armament systems, including air-to-air missiles and advanced radar-guided munitions, allowing it to deliver lethal hits with pinpoint accuracy. The Laser Jet Megaproject is distinguished by an integrated system that effortlessly integrates its different innovative technologies into a single unified platform. This integration allows pilots to concentrate on their tasks rather than becoming bogged down in complex systems and tools. The user-friendly interface guarantees efficient and confident operation, allowing pilots to maximize the aircraft's capabilities. The dynamics and implications of the US-China relationship. The Laser Jet Megaproject is a significant advancement in military aviation in the context of US-China relations. The US Laser Jet poses a formidable challenge as China continues to invest substantially in the development of its own 6th-generation fighter. The Laser Jet Megaproject, with its sophisticated technology, stealth capabilities, precision strike capabilities, and unrivaled speed and mobility, places the United States at the forefront of military power in the sky. China's hypersonic missiles pose a substantial danger to American targets, especially military installations like the USS Ford. Because these missiles are faster than American defenses can intercept them, they are extremely tough to stop. In response to this threat, the United States is concentrating on the development and deployment of laser weapons. Laser weapons use light energy to destroy things from great distances while traveling at the speed of light, making them exceedingly lethal and rapid. China, Russia, and the United States are all substantially investing in the development of laser weapons, recognizing their potential to address the vulnerability offered by hypersonic missiles. China intends to outfit its J-20 stealth fighter with laser guns, potentially improving its air-to-air capabilities and offering defense against hypersonic threats. Since the 1970s, Russia has been developing laser weapons, with ongoing modernization efforts. They have carried out testing and are working to improve the tactical and technical components of their laser systems. The idea is to stay ahead of the race for hypersonic weapons while maintaining military capabilities. Major armament manufacturers such as Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman have been hired by the United States to create powerful and compact laser systems. These systems can be installed on a variety of platforms, including battleships, tanks, and aircraft. Since 2002, promising outcomes have been observed. The United States is investigating the possibility of airborne laser weapons and is currently working on two projects: the Tactical Airborne Laser System and the Self-Protect High-Energy Laser Demonstrator, SHIELD. Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Raytheon Technologies are working together on these projects. Laser weapon development has the potential to transform aerial warfare. Laser-armed fighter jets would be capable of eliminating threats from great distances, rendering dogfights obsolete. The United States is developing a sixth-generation fighter as part of its next-generation air dominance program, which features enhanced sensors, engines, networking capabilities, and weapons such as SHIELD. Lockheed Martin's Lance laser weapon, which has received funding from the U.S. Air Force, is an example of laser technological innovation. Lance is thought to be Lockheed Martin's smallest, lightest, and most powerful laser of its class. This demonstrates improvements in miniaturizing and increasing the power output of laser systems, making them more suitable for incorporation into various platforms, such as fighter jets. Laser guns have the distinct benefit of being capable of continuous shooting. Laser systems can shoot indefinitely without reloading or resupply as long as they are attached to a power source. This makes them extremely adaptable on the battlefield, as they can operate for extended periods of time without being interrupted, potentially influencing the result of fights. Laser weapon development has spurred a high-speed competition for domination among the world's most powerful forces. China, Russia, and the United States are investing extensively in laser weapon development in order to obtain a technological advantage and counter the threat posed by hypersonic missiles. These countries acknowledge laser weapons' potential to alter combat and are working to develop and field effective laser systems in order to maintain military primacy. Laser weapons are extremely rapid and capable of destroying any target, including hypersonic missiles. Laser blasts travel at the speed of light, making them the universe's quickest projectiles. Laser beams' tremendous energy and targeted characteristics enable them to precisely destroy targets, including hypersonic missiles. Tensions between the two countries have risen as a result of China's investment in hypersonic missiles and the United States' investment in laser weapons. China has made enormous investments in the development and deployment of hypersonic missiles, which represent a significant danger to the United States and its allies. The United States has focused on the development of laser weapons as a countermeasure to China's hypersonic missile capabilities, escalating the rivalry between the two countries. China has mature hypersonic missiles such as the DF-17 and Qingkong-2, giving it a global advantage in this technology. The DF-17 missile is a mature hypersonic weapon with a range of 1,600 miles and the capacity to maneuver in flight that has been successfully tested 7 times. China also has a Qingkong-2 Wave Rider hypersonic missile, which has a range of 6,200 miles, a flight ceiling of 98,000 feet, and a top speed of more than Mach 6. Laser weapons work at the speed of light and are not affected by external elements such as wind or gravity, making them efficient and cost-effective. Because of the speed of light, laser beams can reach their targets nearly instantly, making them extremely effective at engaging fast-moving threats. Lasers, unlike kinetic weapons, are not impacted by wind or gravity, allowing them to maintain precision across vast distances, as long as they have a power source. Laser weapons have an infinite magazine, lowering the cost per kill and making them cost-effective to operate. To counter China's hypersonic missile threat, the U.S. is working on placing laser weapons on fighter planes and aircraft carriers. The U.S. Air Force and Navy are actively developing and integrating laser weapons onto fighter jets and aircraft carriers to strengthen their defensive capabilities. By arming these platforms with laser weapons, the U.S. hopes to successfully fight China's growing threat from hypersonic missiles. The USS Gerald Ford, the country's flagship supercarrier, is vulnerable to China's hypersonic missiles, causing the U.S. Navy to prioritize laser defense weapons. China's hypersonic missiles represent a substantial threat to the USS Gerald Ford, a critical and costly force-projecting capability for the U.S. Navy. To safeguard the supercarrier, the U.S. Navy is working on outfitting it with laser weapons capable of intercepting and neutralizing hypersonic threats. The United States Air Force is also working on laser weaponry for fighter jets, including projects such as the Tactical Airborne Laser System and the Self-Protect High-Energy Laser Demonstrator. The goal of the Tactical Airborne Laser System project is to create laser weapons that can be placed aboard fighter jets to improve their offensive and defensive capabilities. The Self-Protect High-Energy Laser Demonstrator project aims to develop a single laser weapon that can be installed into several aircraft platforms. Northrop Grumman, Boeing, and Lockheed Martin are working together on these programs to build small and capable laser systems for fighter jets. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more videos like this.